Yeah,
Yeah.
quite similar.
Yeah.
Why not? They are trained to be professional ones,
Allah.
not just giving a certificate. Because just giving certificate, everyone can be a like tour guide, but having knowledge is not all of the tour guide can have it. So, like we training how to be good English, we try to train the first step to meet the tourists, the first step the way how to talk in English
Yeah.
because like yeah people can learn English by their environment like Bali.
Ah,
Many people
inshallah.
can speak English because of their environment, not because they're created by someone or they're created by institutions. Yeah, good, but we never know about the history of the tree, the place. They have to learn something from their place, like the history, the story of this one, the story. So at least they need practice. But nowadays they are never practice. They never because of their environment. Oh, I have a